Have you ever felt lost, as if you're in a labyrinth with no way out, unsure of which path to follow? The feeling of not finding your true passion is overwhelming, isn't it? But what if I told you that the key to unlocking this enigma lies within you, in your own mind? This is not a fairy tale. There is no magic map that will instantly point you to your passion, but there is a path, a process, an internal journey of learning that you can embark on to find the flame that drives you. And this path begins with the power of your mind, with the strength that you, and only you, possess for self-discovery. Imagine your mind as a vast and deep ocean. In its depths lie precious pearls, your talents, your deepest desires, your dormant passions. But to find them, you need to dive in. You need to face the currents, the storms, and the doubts that life presents to you. This dive requires courage. It demands an unwavering will to explore the depths of your being. Many remain stuck on the surface, held captive by their fears, by the expectations of others, and by what society dictates as success. They settle for a monotonous life, for the feeling of emptiness that a lack of purpose creates. But you don't have to be just another one. You are capable of more. How do you begin this journey of self-discovery? The first step is honest self-reflection. Ask yourself crucial questions. What truly makes me happy? What completely absorbs me, making time stop existing? What are my natural abilities, the gifts that I possess? Do not search for immediate, perfect, and brilliant answers. The inner journey is a gradual process of continuous discovery. Accept that there will be moments of confusion, moments of doubt, moments when you feel lost again along the way. This is all part of the journey. Remember that your mind is a powerful tool. Use it to your advantage. Practice meditation. Strengthen your ability to concentrate. Learn to silence the external noise and listen to your inner voice, your intuition, your internal wisdom. Perhaps you need to try new things, step out of your comfort zone, and take a few more risks. Enroll in courses, explore new areas of knowledge, and talk to inspiring people. Every experience, every encounter can be a piece of the puzzle that makes up your true passion. Sometimes passion doesn't appear as a bolt of lightning, but as a small flame that needs to be nurtured with care and dedication. Cultivating this flame, nurturing this desire, requires discipline, persistence, and belief in yourself. But have you ever asked yourself, what is the price you are willing to pay to find your true passion? What are you willing to give up to follow your heart? This is a crucial question, a turning point on your journey. Often the answer to this question is more important than the passion itself. Finding your passion requires sacrifices. It demands that you commit to a process of deep and transformative personal change. Are you ready for this journey? Are you willing to face the challenges, overcome the obstacles, and discover your own hidden potential? There is no magic formula. There is no easy path. But there is you, with your inner strength, with your capacity to reinvent yourself, to transform yourself, to become the best version of yourself. The journey begins with the conscious decision to dive deep within, to unravel the mysteries that your own mind holds. This is a journey of self-discovery, a search for your essence, for your purpose. And believe me, the reward is worth every effort. The satisfaction of finding your true passion, of living a life aligned with your values and your deepest desires, is an incomparable experience. This is the key to a full, meaningful, and truly happy life. What is the first step you will take today to begin finding your true passion? Start now. Your mind awaits.